How to connect GoDaddy domain to Vercel. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So you're simply going to open your Vercel over here and you're going to click on domains over here on the top right. After that, you should be redirected to this page where you will be able to click on add over here to add your specific GoDaddy domain. Click on add and over here in GoDaddy, simply navigate into your my products over here and we're just simply going to copy one of our domains that we have in our GoDaddy. So for example, let's wait for it to load. This one over here, copy your domain, paste it over here, click on add domain, and click on add. After that, it will be checking your domain status. And as you can see, it will identify some invalid configurations, meaning we have to add this first into our DNS provider. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to our products, click on manage or DNS, and we're just basically going to add some records. So over here, as you can see, we're going to add a new record and you're just simply going to follow the instructions such as type A and then add over here, and then just simply copy the value that is provided. Then you're going to click on save. And there might be some conflicts because of course that there will be some pre-existing values, but after that simply do the same thing for the second one over here, which you will then also adjust and add. After adding those, you should then be able to have some valid configuration, and you then will be able to, as you can see, if there's added more values here, so it's going to ask you to do more things if it still has issues. So if you check here, so double check and check out what it wants you to do. And after verifying or after finishing all of this stuff here, you're going to be able to connect your Vercel and your GoDaddy domain. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.